What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a trade recap on my loss. I'm going to show you the live trade right here. 80 times 3 is what? 240. If we get this inverse, I think I like it. To a woman so heartless. Yeah. Cold as the winter wind when it breeze, yo. I mean, after all the things we've been through. Hey, yo, I did something, but that's the old me. Like you don't know me. This is so close to that draw. If we inverse, might get 4 cons a try. And I might stop it with this high. Kind of want to see if we inverse the 15-minute. If we inverse the 15-minute, I really, really like it. And we wasn't gonna speak, so why we up 3 a.m. on the phone? I think it'd be dumb not to be short bias right now. Unless we're gonna get some like beautiful market maker model. But if you're gonna get big displacement up, I'd want to see it. Or not be open to longs. It just really depends. Like, where's the nearest rejection point? Be this imbalance, so that would be your break-even point. The price is going to continue higher. Let's see if we do something before we get there. Let's just knock it off. Really same type of trade. I know you can't believe. I'm gonna take off tonight. Yeah. So we have this bullish 15-minute though. Because we do have just a big 4-hour SMT. 4-hour fair value gap too. But like this is, if you get in before that and that's your break even point, definitely not as bad. Did it tap it? I wish it was just like a 2-minute or 3-minute or something. I can't. I think I gotta be short. Unless we're gonna get a big. Just don't want to see these 5 minutes. Let's check out the button. Bet. Definitely short. I don't want to see longs. We just got too big of a liquidity sweep, too big of a SMT, too big of everything. I wouldn't be comfortable with myself if I lost on a long attempt. No, Jordan plays. ES has a 2-minute now. That's good news. $65 is 300. 66 is what? And I got a tackle. Go back. Yeah, the shorts at open were nice. I think if we get this inverse, I'm gonna go short. Just gonna do 5 cons-ish. Break even will be pull up at the pot and I air it out. Not looking too hot. Oh. Bang. Throw a party like Rolling Loud. We're definitely stopped here. Holy shit. Good morning. Bless at the truth, that's the best, so bless her. Tell me, oh my God, get on her knees for confessions. Well, that's a good first day back. Railed in 1 candle. Smith & Wesson, blessed on the 25. This is our last protection point right there. I didn't think we would just blast through the, after inversing. It's okay. We put in an SMT, it looks like. I won't get her pregnant. Hell no, Juice. If I get it, I might have to stay in. Let's put a train in. I think I nutted in her. I might need a playpen and a stroller. Save me, save me. Save me. No chance we don't get stopped out. I just thought it was a boner. Now I'm up in France. Lil Book, that's my man's. GG. It's okay. I got that little baby girl back to the plate. Back to the top. Back to the tray. GG's. Bang. Alright, so now I'm going to do a trade recap. So this loss definitely could have been avoided. So going into the market, I was super bullish, right? Because we were reacting off this. We come in, we put in this SMT right here, but my draw was higher. We were reacting off this 4-hour fair value gap too. So then I kind of flipped my bias, especially when we got all these 5-minute candles to the downside. Now, looking back at it in hindsight, we put in this SMT. My trade was terrible, right? Like there was no reason for me to be on the 5-minute yet, especially because we had this bullish 15-minute we hadn't inversed yet. So like until this gets inversed, I should be bullish. How's my mouse bugging out? Okay. So like until this 15-minute gets inversed, I should be bullish, but I was bearish. I thought we were going London low. ES was super close. We get this big sell-off, you know, put in this gigantic ass wick. So I should be bullish, and I shouldn't even be on the 1-minute time frame yet if we're being honest with each other. So what my trade is based off of, we inverse this little 1-minute right here. Not really the best entry, and I think I got the worst fill possible. And I had my stop at this high. And I was really just targeting the internal and external lows, almost a 1 to 3 hour. Basically get stopped out instantly. Didn't really expect us to get a double inverse either. That was kind of strange. because I never really want to be in markets that were double inversing. I kind of was on the wrong side. Like I had the original bias from the start, but yeah, it's not the best trade overall. But I'm honestly not too mad on it. And you see, I lost 400 today, but like, and that's what I want to risk between 4 to 500. Like this trade should have been avoided. Let's be real, it should have not been taken. So now what? I have three more trades, so I blow the account. Like if we do, we do. It's not the end of the world. If we lose like two more trades in a row, maybe I'll risk down and just try to like save it. But I think it's just important to realize that I'm okay with the loss. Like, yeah, I think this trade should have been avoided, right? This is an L day. System following, this is an L day. Like, definitely is. I'm not disagreeing with that at all. If anything, I should have kept the longs just because of the way price was flowing and stuff like that. But I didn't. I didn't, and that's the reality. Like I should have stayed long bias, and I could have caught these longs here just because I was long bias from the start. We inverse this 1 minute. There's no like 2 minute or anything like that. We put in like a nice 10 a.m. reversal, and you could have targeted these highs, and you could have got paid today. And now it happens, right? It's not the end of the world. Looking back on it, there was no higher time frame PD array that like I was expecting the retracement to bounce off of. There also was no SMT put in that should have rejected the higher time frame. You know what I mean? Like here, for example, we have this SMT get put in, so you kind of have a protected stop if you're gonna, trade something like this. And it was 80. I would maybe take like three cons to like pay like a pretty good amount. But in reality, it's okay. Losses are gonna happen. I just need to be a little sharper. That's the reality. The reality is I need to be a little sharper. We will be a little sharper. I'm trying to think what else. I think also I need to be okay with the no trade days. Like I really was thinking about not taking a trade once my bias got taken, right at market open, we launched up. So I think maybe I should have, recognized that and probably closed the charts for the day and just been like, trading over, it is what it is, whatever happens happens. But I didn't, and I kept trading, which could say is the problem. But I don't think I should have never went bearish. The real reality is, even if I'm gonna keep trading, I don't think it was wrong for me to stay on the charts once it's taken. I just shouldn't have lost my bias until we have confirmation to go lower. We never get a 5 minute change of state. We never get anything like that. If anything, this is just a retracement of, like something like this, right? That's all that is. ES is just manipulating. I shouldn't be this conscious of ES, right? I should be more focused on NQ, right? Because I'm trading NQ. It's important to know when SMTs get put in like that, but other than that, I shouldn't really be too worried about in AES. I should be focusing on what NQ is printing me. NQ is printing me bullish price action, right? We get this gigantic close right here. That's a 15-minute, giant 15-minute change in the state. We probably have a giant 30-minute close too. Yeah, I mean, we still get closes higher. I should have been bullish the whole time. That's the reality. But if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support. Stay true. God bless. And we'll be better tomorrow. That's the reality.